Okay, I just had a tennis lesson, a 1-hour tennis lesson, and then I had a hitting session with a friend for an hour. Now I'm going to do some strength exercises. I'm going to do pull-ups and push-ups. That's it, just 2 exercises. I'm going to do 5 sets. With the pull-ups, I'm aiming to get 5 on every set, but probably won't be able to. It'll knock it down to 4 or 3. But I want to do a total of 25 pull-ups. And I want to do a total of 75 push-ups. So I'm going to do 15 per set. A little close. Good. Sorry. Good. Sorry. Good. Sorry. Great shot. So you're a little close there. Yeah. Give yourself more room. Up. Yep. See, that was sliced.
Yeah.
So the ball's gonna die.
Okay.
Good. Very good. Turn. Now, once you get here, let it come down, and this is the position. I see it. Good shot. Tomahawk shot. Okay, I lost my sound on this last clip, so I'm just going to tell you what I was talking about. basically, I tried to do 5 sets of 5 with the pull-ups. I did 5 the first set. I did 4 the second set. The third set, I did 2. And the rest of the sets, I did 2. I was toast. I was at failure. But I did a total of 25. So now I'm going to have some fruit, of course, some mango and some orange juice, which will restore my muscle glycogen. Muscle glycogen is a storehouse of endurance, stamina, explosiveness. You need muscle glycogen in order for your muscles to function for long periods of time. So I got the 5 sets of the push-ups in, no problem. 15% for a total of 75. But I was toast on the pull-ups. The tennis took more out of me than I thought. That was 2 hours on the court. The hitting session with my friend was pretty intense. So I was, working hard. And then there's what I'm eating. I had the Valencia oranges that I picked up in Immokalee. I juiced those. The mango, I got that at a friend's house. He's got a nice mango tree. That mango was so sweet and delicious. I blended those. It was an awesome muscle glycogen refueling. Okay, remember you have a 2-hour window after a strength workout where you can restore muscle glycogen at twice the rate. That's right, twice the rate during that 2 hours after your workout.